Hello friends, today I am going to discuss how to plot log, so log plots. So I have already discussed because we are discussing how to plot you apply the Matplotlib. So I have already uh, discussed the sum library. So like first we can import the some basic library like a percentage matplotlib inline import matplotlib as a mpl import matplotlib.pyplot as a plt and from mpl underscore toolkits dot matplot 3d dot axis 3d import axis 3d import numpy as a np import simpy percentage matplotlib inline and percentage configurations inline backend dot figure dot format like a SPA. So I have already done, and this project we have already discussed with you. Now today I am going to discuss here like a log plot. So how to plot log plot? So log plot leads to the first I will start from fig comma axis will equal to plt dot subplots and we can create a data like sorry, first we have to create like a boxes. So first row we need to the three boxes, three columns right here, and the size of this boxes should be fixed size fig size fixed size will equal to parenthesis, and you can write here 12 comma 4 or 12 comma 3, doesn't matter. So let's see, it has been plotted very easy. So let's see, it has been plotted, look like a 3. Oh sorry, it has been only 0. Yeah, we can see here the 3 also, don't worry. 0 1 2, so 1 comma 3 comma this one. So first row this has been plotted. Now look here, after that, so whenever if you can plot, you can see number of the things like I can add the something. So after that we are going to create a some data. So just I have already x will equal to np dot lin lin space and lin space. Yes, we can see the some disturbance please, and 0 comma, because I am using the exponential, so 1e 3 and comma 100. So this data has been created. Another is the y variables. So if I like to write here something like a y 1 comma y 2 will equal to x to the power 3 and comma x to the power 4, and it has been created, look like there are y1 and y2, these two values. So now after that we need to the first I am going to fill like axis a x e s like a first row and first column, and I want to put here set, and I have already created a data. So first we need to write here title, so underscore title I have mentioned, need to the log, right here log, so log and log, and I need to the put something like another axis I have written here, and square bracket put here the 0 because we are putting the some value, and log, so you write here log, so log already this function has been given, and need to the write here x as a first variable. Now y1 is a second, and we write here the b, and another after that we need to x again comma y2. Now we can write here r, symbol look like a r. So you can also put here the single quotations, don't worry, put here the single quotations, doesn't matter single and double quotations. Let's see here, so because these are the string, so we can easily plot, because x and y2 has been plotted like a red color, and this one has been plotted like a b as a blue color. Similarly I want to place in the second, so let's see in the second axis, and this one as is the first row and second column. So we are going to discuss the second dot set underscore title has been given already, so need to put the some title like a semi-loggy, then put here a string here, so semi-loggy like that, and now create a data. So again axis is, and square bracket put here the 1. Now we create the sum, put here the sum functions like a semi-loggy, so like here semi, yeah, semi-loggy, this function is available here, and as it is you can put here x comma y1 comma, now this brackets, and you can put here the b as a blue. Similarly the comma, again you can put here x comma y2, I am comparing here the y2, and again comma, this one is a red. So I hope it is printed like this way. So yeah, you can see here this is the second. Now we need to go the third. So let's see the right here axis axes, and like a 2, set the some title, the set underscore title, yeah, set underscore title, need to write something inside of this parenthesis. So here the plot, and divided by is set underscore x-axis underscore x, and underscore set underscore x scale, again set underscore y scale, here. And now the second is the axis tool. AXES, and put here the tool plot dot plot and parenthesis x comma y1 comma x comma y2 comma, I think after y1 we need to write here something like a rate here, and then comma, and then you can put here the blue, yeah, you put here the blue, then you can put here the rate inside of this here. Yeah, so I think third has been printed, look like this, xy2 and xy1. Next we need to write here the some scales. So I think you can see here the scales like a axis and square bracket 2 dot set underscore x scales underscore x scales and parenthesis like a log, and similarly we can write the y scale and logs. So you put here copy and paste, and I do here y scales like this. So let's see here. So you can also have been printed look like this. So I hope it will be the comfortable look here, the third, and you can see the your third plot, and I have already written some titles and others. So this is the way. So this is the examples of the log scales plots. So I think it is good to the understand everyone. So I hope it will be helpful how to plot a log scales. Same, you can also look here the twin axes. So this is the interesting trick to the axis of the Matplot, provide the twin axes. So I didn't discuss, but I try to understand these things. But after that, spins like most of the graph generated so far. So we have always had the box surrounding the axis regions. So let's see. So I hope next class we will discuss these things. So I think this code is a very important for the everyone, and we try to solve this problem. So I hope it will be helpful for everyone. Thank you.